Hi guys, welcome to this video, and as you can tell from the title, today I want to teach you guys how to start forex trading step by step. And before we continue, forex is not gambling as you all like to put it. Forex is not betting, and forex is not a game, because a lot of you guys come to my comment section or my inbox and be like, hey, teach me how to place this thing, or in Kiswahili, ke nifunze kucheza hii kitu. No, hii si mchezo. This is not a game. That's what I mean. Forex is buying and selling of currencies. Okay, so that is what we call forex. And what differentiates forex and game or betting is that forex is not black and white. So there's a lot of things that determine how the market will move, first of all, and the things that are happening in the world. So it's not like betting that you can say, okay, today it's Manchester 2, Arsenal 0. I'm not of any team play, so I don't even follow football. Please don't come for me, the people who are footballic. But yeah, let's get into our video. First of all, forex you need to have an app called MT5 or MT4, but we mostly trade on MT5 because MT5 is like the advanced version of MT4, right? So you will need to go to your uh, App Store or Play Store and download MT5. MT5, this is how it looks like. Okay, yeah. Where is my camera? You see that? MT5, that is how it looks like. Now, next, you're gonna open MT5. Now, mine is already open because I traded today. So when you go to MT5, you will need to open a demo account. I don't have a demo account, so let me see if I can open a demo account. So when you go to MT5, these are my account management accounts in here. So when you go to MT5, you will see a section of open a demo account. So you'll go there and put your logins, your email and stuff, and now you will have something looking like this. Are you together? Now you can trade on demo. You are already a trader, but you don't have a live account. We trade on MT5 now. Whatever that will make you make money in the market or lose your money is, when the market is on red like this or it's going down, we say the market is selling. So for example, now, let's say you sell somewhere, whoever sold somewhere here. So, now whatever will determine how much you will make in the market or how much you will lose is something we call your entry point. So let's just say at the end of the day, forex is a prediction game. All right, yeah. So let's say you say sell, so you just click sell. When you click your sell, the sell will be visible on the chart. First of all, there's something we call quotes. You see here on the quotes, you come and search the pairs that you want. So for example, in this particular one, this is gold chart, because of course you all know I like trading gold. So now you can decide to search probably Euro USD, probably Nasdaq, probably GJ, probably GU, GBP USD, any pair that you want to trade. All right, now next, you come back to your chart. Okay, I need my chart. How can I get my chart back? So now next, you come back to your chart and you come back to your chart like this. If you add a pair that was not there, you change it from here. Whatever you see gold now, it means currently I'm on gold market. So if I want to change it, I've already added probably the pair that I want. Okay, so when you click it, it will come on the pair session. Now you will add the pair, or if the pair is not here, you will search it and you will add it up. So when you come back to your chart, it will be among the pairs. So now you can click another pair like that. Different pairs have different whatever, because it means different currencies, you know. Now the next thing, let's go back to gold, because that is my favorite pair. So whatever will determine how much you will make in the market is how something we call an entry. That's why if you have like, if you are in signals group, unasikianga watu wakisema oh, okay, to pay entry. In short, if you're not a Kenyan, I mean, give us an entry, give us an entry. So when you probably now you predict, there's a lot of things that determine how the market moves. Now that is where like um uh strategies come in, nini nini. Those one you're gonna know them later, but this is how you trade. Now how you make money in the market is when you click, for example, sell, you are predicting that if I click a sell right now, my sale will start here, wherever the market is. All right, so my sale will start here, wherever the market is. So I'm predicting the market will go down. If the market from wherever I placed my sale, which is, let's say, let me bring this down. So if my sale, let's say my sale is wherever there's the black dingy, and then the market decides to go up, and I've predicted at that particular point that the market will go down, so I will be on a loss. If the market sells, respects whatever I've predicted, and it starts going down, now I will be on profit. The amount of whatever will determine how much money I will make in the market is something we call lot size. As you can see from my chart, this is 0.05. You can, the lowest lot size we use is 0.01. So something we call lot size, it's like a multiplication of whatever. So someone who had used like probably, and then we have things called pips. Pips now is how the market is moving, like the values. Yeah. So for example, right now gold is at 39.61. If gold moves from 39.61 to 39.60, those are 10 pips on gold, you see. So someone who has used a lot size of 1 will have, in that 10 pip movement, will have the profit times, I think I'm not complicating you guys, but basically you just minus the values. That is what we call pips. Okay, so I want to keep it simple for you guys. So now whatever will determine the amount of money or loss you will make in the market is how much you will hold the loss or the profit. Now this is where we say forex is not like gambling. Forex is not black and white. There's something we call stop loss, where you can just decide, okay, I want to put my stop, for example, my sale was somewhere here, then I can say I want to put my stop loss somewhere here. When the market reaches there, I don't want to sell again, let me take the loss, so it will take my loss. Then if someone else has not used stop loss, the market reaches there, the loss inaendelea kuongezeka. So if the market keeps going up, probably you will blow your account. What do you mean by blowing? Like every every amount that is in your account will be lost. Like you have gone a loss, to an extent you have gone loss of all the money that you earned. Are you together? Yes. But if the test goes your way, for example, it sells, uh you can be on profit and profit and profit and profit. So you can just decide, okay, let me take a small profit. If it sells to somewhere here, you can decide to take the small profit, or you can decide to close some entries. If, for example, you had like 2 entries, you can take one profit, and then you leave the other trade running. If it continues going your way, you will make a lot of money with that one entry, or you can decide to hold the market until you make a lot of money. That is how we operate in forex trading. I hope you guys are understanding and communicating. I'm communicating because I don't want to edit this video. Next now, how do I get a real account? How does my money come from M-Pesa or my banking app to my trading? Like a lot of people keep asking, how does that forex money get to your phone or M-Pesa or your mobile banking app? Now that is where your broker comes in. In this case, my broker is HFM. You can find the link on my TikTok bio, and I will also put the link in the description box. Now what you do is you click the link, or whoever, the whatever you are you are using, the broker you are using, and then you open an account, of course. Then from there, they'll give you like the login ID. If you're using HFM, it will start with something like 54. So now, when you come here, you see where you had opened your demo. So when you come on your MT5 again, you will see a plus sign somewhere. So in this case, this is the plus sign, all right? And you will see search your broker. You will see something like search your broker. In this case, as for me, is HFM. As you guys can see, I already have like account management accounts. So you search HFM. If you're a Kenyan, it's HFMKE. I don't know if other countries it's HFMKE, because, but for this is HFMKE, right? So you click your HFMKE, and then the login ID that you are given is what you will fill in here as your login ID, the 54, whatever, and then you put your password, and then you connect. Then when it's connected, you will see connected. If you put the details wrong, you will see wrong details. And now from there, you can start trading. Are you together? From there, now you can start trading. All right. And from there now, you can go to your broker app. Broker is the one who enables you to deposit or withdraw the money from your trading app. So of course, you'll go to the broker's app. Then you will see deposit, of course, and then you will deposit the amount of money you want to deposit, the M-Pesa number you want to use, or the bank you want to use. Just put your details and then you deposit. When you make some profit, is the same way around. You come to withdraw. If the money is still in the trading app, you first of all transfer funds from the trading app to the wallet. Now, wallet means your broker's wallet, okay? So like from MT5, of course, to now HFM, which is my broker. Let's in this case, let's just say HFM, now to my HFM wallet. And then now from there you can see the withdraw nini, and now from there you can withdraw the amount that you want. Okay, how do I know when to buy or when to sell, when to buy, when to sell? That is where things like strategies come in. That is where things like demand and supply comes in. That is where things like price action and a lot of strategies and indicators and everything comes in the market. In the meantime, I hope you can start practicing on demo as we figure out when to learn these strategies. But I hope you've learned something from this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.